In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to share your Instagram post on Threads. First of all, make sure you have installed the Threads and you have signed into your Threads account. At the same time, make sure you have installed the Instagram app and sign into your Instagram account. Now, to share your Instagram post on Threads, just go to your Instagram, and to share our existing post to your Threads, go to your profile and find out the post, which post you want to share to your Threads. Under the post, tap on the share icon. In here, we have to select Threads option. Just tap on Threads and we can see the specific post is now sharing on my Threads. You can write any caption here, then tap on post. The specific post will be shared to your Threads from your Instagram, as you can see. Now let's see how to create a new post on Instagram and share the post to Threads. Go to your Instagram, tap on this plus icon, select post, and let's create a new post here. For example, this post. Tapping on next, next. And now, before publishing the post, you have to scroll down and here, tap on also share on. In here, you'll find your Threads account. So make sure to turn on these Thread option. Share, you can select share only this post, or you can select always share post. So I'm selecting this post only and going back, tapping on share. We can see the post is now publishing. Once successfully published, I'm just going to my Threads to show you. Going to my profile, we can see the post automatically shared to my Threads also. Thanks for watching.